Peace, people. I hope you're staying safe and staying blessed. Right, what have I got for you today? These bad boys are so sick. It's the Sneakers and Stuff New Balance 920s. They're so cold. Part of their Sports World series. A little capsule collection that Sneakers and Stuff have put together. I got to shout out my homies Peter and Eric from Sneakers and Stuff. They've looked out consistently for me over the years, ever since I met them back in the day via Crooked Tongues, which was the platform for sneaker conversations and knowledge and everything, you know, and really set and cemented so many relationships around the world. So if you're not familiar, get familiar. But yeah, I mean, these dudes, Peter and Eric, they've opened up stores around the world now, and how Sneakers and Stuff is evolving. The due consideration they've given to each store is each store has its own unique concept. It's fantastic. It really is. Every little detail has been meticulously planned and considered by these guys. And it almost makes me wonder why anyone want to take advantage of them, man, because their generosity and the way they've interfaced within sneaker culture and championed everything has been with honest integrity. They're fans. They love shoes. That's how they started off. They wanted more shoes. That's why they started the store up. So yeah, I mean, what is it, 21 years ago now? But anyway, they continue to evolve and elevate. So we got these bad boys, the latest in their series with New Balance. I mean, they've consistently collaborated with New Balance over the years and have pulled out some incredible executions. Some of them I actually regret not purchasing, and some I had no chance. But that's why I'm so stoked with these bad boys, because they're phenomenal. Now, for me, New Balance make the most incredible shoes in sporting, in the sporting arena. The levels of craftsmanship involved, the materials that they employ, and also the fact that they invest in their workers as well. And the people who work at that brand are all really, really cool people, really grounded, and are all about the culture. And for me, that really signifies so much. It really does. It really, that sort of reverence they give back to the culture channels and permeates through. And you know what? I want them to keep winning. New Balance aren't about challenging the dominance of all the bigger sports companies. They're just about doing what they do. I always say that New Balance are like the Rolls Royce, the Aston Martin of sneakers, because their levels are just absolutely sensational. So to this shoe. Now, the 920 is a brand new model for New Balance. But you've already seen the Pata collab, which was sick, and you've seen some other executions as well. But these bad boys are absolutely beautiful. Just look at the shape of the 920. It's very sleek. It's very sharp. It looks like you could run 100 miles an hour in these bad boys, But as you'd expect, New Balance not only make shoes that look fantastic on foot in a lifestyle capacity, but you can actually run in these bad boys as well. Now, let's take it to the materials employed, because they are using just the premium cuts. Look at this, the made in England New Balance. The 3 different tones of orange on here. The green, the forest green with the yellow gold pop right there. The black heel counter for stability. The MB logo popping out right there. The leather on the collar, beautiful. The end cap midsole. And then just look, the sole. You got the carbon fiber midfoot shank for stability, the tread pattern. Everything on this is just absolutely gorgeous. There are other brands out there that do some fantastic work with shoes. Diadora, made in Italy's beautiful. The made in Germany, Adidas. There's so many out there. But for me, the made in England New Balance are the pinnacle, even over the US counterparts. I mean, the made in USA New Balance are cold, right? But there's nothing that beats, in my eyes, the quality of what goes on up there in Flimby in Cumbria, because you have this right here. Superb. I mean, the thing is, if I'm walking down the street from way off and I'm rocking these bad boys, you would know it's me, and you'd be like going, what has he got on his feet? Swear down. I mean, Peter and Eric, you guys bodied it once again. I really do wish you all the best going forward with the new stores and maintaining the business in these testing times. For everyone locked in, please subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. And also, stay safe, all right? One love.